Hello guys, because of some of the comments from you people, yes, I was able to be asked to do something on introduction to curriculum-based assessment, which is under CBA. And we have definition of curriculum-based assessment, which is CBA, and then also importance of narrowing the space to curriculum-based assessment. As a learner, you should know that we have also to know, we have to differentiate between assessment and first evaluation, and distinction between assessment and evaluation, important evaluation determining subject qualification. For me, I'm just breaking down for you to help you in your learning when one of your lecturers asks you some question of the same. So I'm helping you to just break down. We have goals and roles of assessment. When we are talking about assessment, who is the assessor here? Assessor is the teacher who is a mentor and guider, accountant, and reporter. Well, goals of assessment is just to provide the feedback. Are your learners understanding the concept that you are teaching? Are your learners well conversant in certain areas for you to be able to know what kind of teaching strategy that you will employ as a teacher? We are supporting each student. You support your student by knowing after you have received feedback from them. So the next thing you are supposed to do now is to find out the best strategy to support your student for his pursuit of his learning. We are maintaining records. You maintain record as a teacher and reporting progress. Approaches of assessment, explanation of assessment, we have learning. Assessment for learning and assessment of learning. As a student, you should know the difference between the assessment of learning, assessment for learning, and assessment as a learning. Teacher's role in assessment for learning, which is formative, which is began after the competency-based curriculum was enrolled. We know the previous one, which is 844 system of education, focus more on summative. But CBC, we are talking about employment, both formative and summative type of assessment. Formative assessment strategy. Overview of authenticity of assessment. We have self-assessment and then peer assessment. When we talk about self-assessment, just assessing that only assessing all the students, but they only give their own answers. But when we are talking about peer assessment, the assessment were all like a group of students who are in a discussion group, so they provided their answers from there. That's a peer-to-peer, which is self-centered type of learning. We have portfolio assessment, which you just this most of the time used by those we most of the time put our certificate in our portfolio. So when we're sending email, we are sending, and then the assessor will be able to get into our portfolio and find out more and understand more about us. We have reflecting journal, assessment as a learning. We have definition of and characteristics of assessment as a learning. Teachers' role in promoting independent learning through AL. Principal guiding assessment. Principal guiding assessment, comparison of traditional and authentic assessment. And that's the end for today. Thank you for listening. And thank you guys for those who have subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe and to hit that bell icon for more content. You'll be not only helping me, but helping somebody somewhere through your subscription. Thank you for subscribing to Raphael Bookish Insights. That's all for today. Let's see you in another video.